Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Podia affiliate payouts, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Podia affiliate payouts, start by logging into your Podia account. Upon logging in, navigate to the dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the affiliate tab on the left side of your screen. Click on the affiliate tab to access your affiliate details. Once there, locate the payouts section. In the Payouts section, you will see your current balance and payout options. Review the minimum payout threshold to ensure you qualify for a withdrawal. If you meet the threshold, look for the Withdraw button. Click on the Withdraw button to proceed with the withdrawal process. A new window will appear with payout options, such as PayPal or bank transfer. Select your preferred payout method from the available options. If necessary, fill in any required payment information. Double-check that all details are correct to avoid any issues. After confirming your information, click the Submit button to finalize your withdrawal. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for further updates regarding your payout. The processing time may vary depending on the method you chose. Once processed, check your account to ensure the funds have been received. Follow these steps to successfully withdraw your Podia affiliate payouts with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.